Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariel. I create mostly beauty videos, some fragrance reviews, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today is going to be an exciting video. This is one that I've wanted to create for some time now, never got around to it. So I do want to thank Charlotte Tilbury and my friends over at Magic Links for partnering with me on today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a soft Hollywood glam look using a full face of Charlotte Tilbury products. Now, some of these products are new to me. They may not be new to you, but some of them are new to me, as well as some of my go-to products. As usual, I'm going to be giving you guys a ton of tips along the way. So if you want to see how I got this look using a full face of Charlotte Tilbury, then keep on watching. Okay, socialites, so before I get started, I want you to comment down below your foundation of the day and your lip color of the day. If today so happens to be a bare skin day, comment down below what skincare you used. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing with Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. This is a super luxurious, thick, creamy moisturizer that's supposed to turn around dull skin. This is what it looks like, you guys. You don't need a lot of this stuff. It's so super nourishing. Next, I'm going to go in with a product that I've never used before, but I've heard so many great things about, which is the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. Now, I got this in the color 6.5 deep. This is the travel size. I do like the fact that some of her best-selling products come in travel size, so you can kind of test it out without paying too much to see if you like it. So this is one of those products that gives you that dewy glow. I got it in the color that was closest to my skin tone, so it does come in various tones. So it comes in a wand, just so you guys can see what it looks like. So when you blend it in, it just sort of illuminates and gives you that sort of dewy skin look without your skin being oily. So you can apply it to your skin before your foundation. You can actually wear it on its own if you want to, or you can mix it in with your foundation. So I'm just gonna apply it just in my cheek areas, just kind of like across the middle of my face where I want it to kind of have like that illuminating glow. This color blends so perfectly to my skin, and I'm gonna blend this with the butt end of my sponge. So for foundation, I'm going to use Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations, you guys. If you want to see a full review of this foundation, go ahead and click that link right there. But this is one of those foundations that every time I wear it, I just feel so pretty. I wear the color 13, and in her other foundation, the Flawless Filter Foundation, I wear 13 as well. So I love when companies sort of keep that across the board to make it easier to find your shade. So I do find that one pump is enough for my entire face. I'm going to start in the areas that I need the most coverage first, and then over where I have the Flawless Filter, I'm just going to put a tiny bit. I still want to be able to see that glow through the foundation. I love how skin-like this foundation looks, and you can get a full coverage out of this product as well. I don't own a Charlotte Tilbury concealer, so I'm just blending my favorite concealer that I own, and I'm making sure that it's not too many shades lighter than my skin tone. So I'm going to do a light contour with the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Bronzer. I wear the color 310. If you're my skin tone, I feel like this bronzer is perfect for a more natural, subtle looking contour. Or if you just want to sort of bronze your face and just give yourself that sun-kissed look. It's very subtle and super easy to blend. For highlight, I'm going to go in with the Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand from Charlotte Tilbury. This one is in the color 2 Medium. It's like a rose gold shade. These are super easy to blend, and I like the fact that it has like a on and off switch where you can turn it on and off. It just adds that extra security so you don't have to worry about it seeping out. Same sponge, I'm just gonna lightly tap that. And I'm just gonna lightly set under my eyes with a loose powder. Going back into the cream bronzer, I'm going to take just a little bit more for my nose. I absolutely love Charlotte Tilbury's packaging. It's like an old Hollywood glam theme that she has going with her packaging, which I love. I love the fact that you get the added luxury packaging. It's just, it looks so good sitting on your vanity or taking certain products with you on the go. If you happen to have small, like her lip products, it's just so luxe. Lightly filling my brows before I go into the eyeshadow look. For eyeshadow, I'm going in with a product that's new to me. The cream bronzer is one of my go-tos that you guys see me use on almost all of my tutorials, but this is completely new to me. This is the Instant Eye Palette, Smoky Eyes Are Forever. It has 4 effects to it. It says 4 hypnotic eye glow looks. Okay, so you can get 4 different looks from it. Here goes that stunning packaging again that we can already expect from Charlotte Tilbury. Beautiful black lacquered packaging with gold accents on it. So when you open it up, it does have a big size mirror here at the top, and then here are the eyeshadow shades. So it does have 4 sets of 3. This set is the Love Eyes, this set is the Power Eyes, this set is the Happy Eyes, and then this last set is the Confident Eyes that has bolder shades. So let me just randomly, this right here, this color right here is just really speaking to me. It's so shiny. So let's see. Ooh, it's like buttery smooth. Let's see if we can get a good swatch. Look at that. And that was 1 tap into the product. Gorgeous. Okay, so let's try the green shade next to it. It's like a bronzy green, not quite all the way green. So let's swatch it here. So yeah, they're really velvety. It's like touching velvet or satin or something. And then the next shade is like a green here. So let's see what this one is giving. Wow, so the quality is there. Let's see what type of look we're gonna do, y'all. You know what? I wanna do a red lip, so let's do old Hollywood glam. So I'm gonna probably put like this neutral shade from the Power Eyes on the lid, and then we're gonna go in with probably a combination of this brown and this reddish brown in the crease right here. Wow, it's a lot of pigment in these shadows, you guys, so you can use a light hand. Super pigmented. I didn't expect for it to show up so boldly. We are gonna have some fun with this palette over the next few videos, y'all, because I really want to play with, I see like 4 colors that I want to get into. So that's one of the things that I can really appreciate about the brand, is that they never skimp on the quality, and that's why I'm such a repeat customer. They do not skimp. Charlotte Tilbury is a professional makeup artist, and I can absolutely tell by using her products. It's like she gets it. Comment down below your favorite Charlotte Tilbury product. I'm gonna go in with another product that I haven't used before, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Color Chameleon. It's like a eyeshadow crayon. This one's in the color Champagne Diamonds. that's nice. Okay. So since I'm going for like an old Hollywood glam look, I'm gonna take this above the crease because I want to make my lid space look a bit larger than what it actually is. And what this is going to do is help give me a little bit more wiggle room when it comes to my liner. I like how creamy it is. Like, it doesn't tug on the eye. It just rolls across the eye really smooth. I like how easy that applied. That applied really nice. So I'm still going to go in with that sort of taupey shade that I wanted to use for the lid. Let's see how it lays on top. These shades are very pigmented. This completely covers up that base that I just put down. So let's just pop this in the inner corner. So for top liner, I'm going in with another new product to me, you guys. This is the Feline Flick from Charlotte Tilbury. This is what it looks like, and it's like a felt tip liner. I'm gonna add a nude color pencil to my waterline. And I'm taking the smudge about 2/3 of the way in. I'm not gonna close it all the way into the inner corner. I wanna leave it open here. For mascara, I'm going in with the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara. This is the mini size. It does come in a full size, but I picked up the mini size because they sent me brown and I wanted to see what black looked like. I feel like brown wouldn't have really shown up. This packaging is super luxe, by the way. It has a beautiful baby doll pink color with the rose gold top on it, and it's heavy weighted, you guys. It feels like it's made out of metal or something. It's really luxurious. This is a really good mascara. So I'm just gonna use my same loose setting powder to set the rest of my face. I heard that Charlotte Tilbury makes a really good loose setting powder. So comment down below if you've tried the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder before. What is it giving? So I'm gonna add a bit of bronzer to my skin. And I do want to let you guys know that Charlotte Tilbury's site-wide summer sale starts today. So you guys need to run, don't walk, over there and check them out. They'll be having up to 40% off of over 25 items on the site, and it's going to be some of the best selling items, y'all. So I'm definitely going to check it out, and that's another reason why I want y'all to comment down below your go-to or your favorite Charlotte Tilbury items. I'm thinking about getting the translucent powder. I definitely want to get a full size in this mascara, but comment down below, let me know what y'all will be picking up from the sale. I don't think I need any backups of anything. I still have enough of my spray. Like, I have this much left of my setting spray, but I have a whole nother one that I haven't even touched yet because it came with 2 in it. For blush, I'm going to use one of my go-tos, the Charlotte Tilbury Chic to Chic blush. Try saying that 3 times fast. And this one's in the color Intense. They have a lighter shade than this, but I really like this because you can use the deeper shade if you want to, or you can go in with the lighter shade that has a little bit of shimmer to it, or you can swish around in both and just get a completely different look. Y'all, this is really good. It's really good for every day. If you want a blush that you don't know what blush could I wear to go with a certain look, this is one of those you don't have to think about it because this shade actually goes with everything. It's like one of my staples. So I'm just going to use the same brush. I'm going to swish into both. I'm loving this look, y'all. Let me cover my hairline so I can spray my face down. Of course, I'm going to be using Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Spray. This is definitely my #1 favorite setting spray. It just melts everything into your skin so perfectly. Just let it dry for about a minute and it just makes the makeup one with your skin. Looks really good, and it helps with the longevity of your makeup. Your makeup is going to last at least a few hours longer. So for lips, I'm pretty sure you guys have been seeing this all over social media, and it's the new lippies from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Airbrush Flawless Lip Blur lip colors. The brand sent me over 5 different shades, so I know I want to go in with this deep red here called Ruby Blur. The cool thing about this lip color is you can wear it 2 different ways. You can lightly put it on for like that blurred effect, just like that soft marshmallowy look, or you can wear it bold on your lips where you just can completely cover and it will be completely pigmented over your lip in more bold color. It's super soft and comfortable. I've worn them a few times already. Supposed to give you a lot of moisture on the lips, but it's more than anything, you guys, not only are the colors pretty, but it's super comfortable and moisturizing to get that bold of color, you know. So I want to use this one, but I am going to show you guys what they all look like on. For the lip liner, I'm going to use the Lip Cheat from Charlotte Tilbury. This one's in the color Pillow Talk 3 Intense. Let me swatch it for you. So it's a deep chocolate brown, but I do want to show you guys one of my favorite lip liners from Charlotte Tilbury, which is in the color Foxy Brown. I'll put it right next to Intense 3. So that's Foxy Brown. It's more of like a medium tone brown. Looks really nice with your pinks and nudes. These lip liners are so creamy. There's no tugging at all. You know how with some lip liners, it's like you feel you're tugging the lip. This one is just so creamy. It just glides on. It's like it's creamy enough to glide on, but then it's stiff enough to stay and not bleed. I could just tell it was created by a makeup artist. Just gonna blend the liner into my lip. That way we don't have such a harsh line. So now I'm going to go in with Ruby Blur. It's a deep, beautiful blue-based red. And it has like a pretty vanilla scent to it. One of my favorite steps before I finish is using my Airbrush Flawless Finish powder from Charlotte Tilbury. Love this packaging, so glamorous. This is the mini size. I love the fact that she has some of her best sellers in the mini sizes, because this does take me quite a while to use because I only use it to set under eye. And this is the most beautiful finishing powder, you guys. I wear the color 2 medium under eye, and it just gives me a beautiful blurred effect. And I like the fact that this is one of those powders you don't have to be afraid to apply too much, because some setting powders, finishing powders, can get cakey under eye. This one never gets cakey under eye. You can apply as much as you want, you guys. Not that you should keep piling it on, but I'm just saying, like, you can go in, as you can see, and it just doesn't look cakey. It just looks very flawless. So this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. They're truly one of my favorite brands, and I think a lot of you guys probably love many of their products. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Every single thing that I use today will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And also with that sale, you guys, you'll also be receiving a few free products with your your purchases from the sale. So once again, I want to thank Charlotte Tilbury and my friends over at Magic Links for partnering with me on today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.